Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to cleanse your house. Make sure your windows are open so the negative energy and lower vibrations can leave. Get some mantra music playing, some cleansing Tibet bowl music. Get your Tibet bowl ready to cleanse. Get some Palo Santo wood, sage, or incense. You could use sandalwood, lavender, cedar, or pine. Sage is the best cleanser in my opinion, guys, for anything that is strong and stagnant in your house and you want to get rid of it. You could also use some holy water and spray it around your home as well. I'll do a video on how to make that for you guys in the future. So be sure to recite your prayer and the spell that I included in the description box for you guys down below. And if you do want to see the YouTube link on the mantra music that I am playing, be sure to go ahead and check out the comment section. I'll put a link down there for you guys. And yeah, this is just how you cleanse your home. So make sure that your cleansing smoke with the smudging fan goes everywhere. It gets nice deep within your crystals, within your home, your area, your surroundings, and you can even cleanse yourself. I hope that this was very educational for you guys. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be.